Okay, so we'll take our probe back out and we shall unscrew our fitting now that the water is drained down. And hopefully our water level has dropped sufficiently in order to allow this to come out without a major flood. And I really don't think so, because the filler is above it. So there is going to be water in this. So what I'm going to do now is prepare the threads with a little bit of Boss White on the threads in order that it doesn't leak and that it won't seize in position in the tank, so that if at a future date we need to change this, we can do. And we also have a rubber washer in this fitting as well. So here goes. Oh, luckily no water coming out. That's beautiful. This is our old thermo-pocket, and that is a copper into brass pocket. So obviously it leaked on the joint or something like that over time with corrosion, etc. There's a little grub screw on this to hold our thermistor probe in place, so I'm going to take that out of here, make it easier to thread in. Shifter. Okay, there we go. Tighten it sufficiently. Reinsert our thermistor probe in the center. Put a little bit of juice into him so that he can read the temperature successfully. Gives a little bit of thermal contact. And we put the probe screw in so that the thermistor doesn't fall out. It lightly grips the cable of the thermistor. Only need to snug that up finger tight. No need for any tools on that. And there we go. Job done. So we'll test it now and make sure that there's no leaks, and that should be it. And hopefully many more years of happy hot water supply. Thanks.